G'day mates, it's Donnie, and today I'm going to run through how to replace a battery in a water level meter for an RV or camper trailer, whatever you want to call it, whatever you've got. It's not too hard a process, but I just thought I'd just throw up a video because Googling it seemed a little bit difficult, and a video will probably help other people. Rightio, this is the bad boy here. What we want to do, flat blade screwdriver. I'll get it in focus. And what you want to do, put it in here, just lever it up. You can see it's starting to now pull off the edge. There is another one up the top as well. A bit weird when you're on the camera trying to do it. And there we go, popped it off. Now you can see the battery down the bottom. It's actually, I've just put the wrong one in, but we're going to put the right one in, which is an A23 battery. So I'll just get that out shortly. But to replace the battery, all you're looking at doing is obviously get the old battery out. We need the screwdriver to do that. There we go, and I'll get the new one shortly. Next thing we want, A23 battery. Doesn't matter the brand, just the size being A23. You can see it's a 12 volt. On the actual panel, you can see the left side is negative, the right side is negative, the left side is positive. Be careful with these clips on the side as well. Make sure that the actual panel hasn't popped above those. Then we should be able to just slot the battery in, and we can test it at this point, make sure it still works. The next part is putting the cover back on. Okay, if you see the back of the cover, you can see that it doesn't actually really clip into anything. You've got the 4 pins that'll actually go in. So realistically, if you just line it up, you can sort of see the sides of where it came off, and then just push it in, and then press the button, make sure it still works. That's all you need to do, that's it. And that's all you need to do to replace the battery. Now, if this video has helped you, make sure you jump on YouTube, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so we can keep on making more videos to help everyone out. Cheers.